Hello everyone. Today we will going to learn about the bar line, major and double bar. You need to know what major, what bar line and double bar is exactly. It's very easy to understand. I live in Seoul, Korea. You are all live in different address. Nepal, Uganda, Philippines, Myanmar, Hong Kong. We cannot see every country's bar measure, but every country has a border, right? Also, your house has a address. Also, district and province. Just imagine what if we don't have any province, any district, any border of country. You know what? Very lots of things happen. Confused things happen. Also, music is the same. To make a beautiful music, to play piano very well, you need to understand what is bar, line, major, and double bar. Look here. Music is divided into equal parts by bar line like this. Similar to musical address. The area between the two bar lines is called a major or bar. Also, a double bar, 1, 2, is written at the end of the piece of the music. It made up of one thin and one thick line, with the thick line always on the outside. Inside, thin line, outside double bar. This is it at the end of the piece of the music. Just think of it. Music is time art. Start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. If you imagine without double bar, we don't know. Oh, this music. When we finish the music. That's why double bar, understand, very important to understand. Also, think about it. A grand step, the treble clef, bass clef, and both line here embrace. We call this step a grand step. How to draw bar lines in double bar? Pass through the entire step like this. Bar 1, bar 2. Exercise 1. Let us exercise together. Divide the step below in four measures with a double bar. At the end, a single step does not begin with a bar line. Okay, divide step 4 line to make a divide the 4 line exactly. First of all, divide into 2 like this, and like this, and like this, and then at the end of the bar, double bar. Inside thin, outside thick. Okay, you got it. Wow! Grow a treble clef. You know what? Without treble clef, bass clef, we cannot play. Which part I'm start? Treble clef. High pitch range. Bass clef, low pitch. That's why draw a treble clef like this. Divide step below in 4 major. What's 4 major? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last double bar. Like this. What's next? Write any whole note. Whole note means 4-time beat. Each measure. Name the notes on the lines below the step. Okay. Throw, treble clef. Anyone is okay. Throw right here. A. Bar 1 and C is right here. Right? C. Bar line here. Any whole note okay. G sound comes. G. 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 Bar line here. Next, D. D. Every good boy does fine. Face. F. A. C. E. C. And double bar. It's like this. Exercise 3. Draw a bass clef. Why? To make a low pitch range. Draw how to draw like this, and then divide the 4 below into 4 measure. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4 double bar in here. Write any 4 quarter notes. 1 beat, any, in each measure. Name the notes on the lines between the step. For bass clef, any 4 notes okay. You look here, alternate stem direction. 2 music notes in here, stems line here, right side upward. Next, 2 music notes below third line, in here, C, D, left side, stem downward like this. You can do it. Any four-quarter notes okay. C, A, G, E, two below third line, two below above third line, two below third line, two below above third line. Okay, wow, this time draw a grand step. Same, divide the step below into four lines. For majors with double bar, write any two, this time two half a note. Half a note two time beat in each. Also, alternate stem direction. Step. Name the notes on the lines below the step begin with the bar line before the class sign. When there is grand step, okay. You remember how to draw grand step, first vertical line in here, brace line here. Wow, treble clap, and bass clap. Four major, divide four major, 1, 2, 3, 4. Any two half note. Any half note. This bass clap, you can write in here, you can write here. Below, third line, below, above line. Below, third line, below, above line. Say, half a note like this, and like this. Standard is third line, below B. Like this, E, no, above third line, like this. Okay. So, every music score has a music bar. Okay. Just review. You need to get used to know about bar line. If you know this, your musical knowledge is amazing. When you go to bed, just look at the ceiling. Just line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. First, draw treble clef. Draw bass clef. Bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, bar 4, bar 5, bar 6, bar 7, bar 8 is the last end of the music. Double line. You already know all music note name. It's time value. You know the concept of bar line. You know what? Your brain cell is deep inside here. Already know lots your country traditional melody. Or sometime God will give you someday very wonderful music, melody, and harmony. You can draw melody, melody interval, and harmonic interval. Don't be afraid. Follow me one step by one step. I'm guaranteed someday all of you will be good pianists and good musicians. Why? To be glory of God. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.